everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to edit a shortcut on Snapchat. Creating shortcuts is a simple method to keep in touch with just one Snapchat click. Shortcuts are simple to build and remove whenever you wish. I'll explain how to edit a shortcut in Snapchat in this video. Go to Snapchat and take a photo. Click Next. And as you can see here, the arm icon means that I have created a shortcut for my friends. Now, in order to edit, all you have to do is to tap that one. And when I tap that, you can see the people who are member of that shortcut. So all you have to do is to add people here or remove people here. Everything is up to you. Let's just say I want to remove Shadow. I want to remove Abdu, and then I want to add some of my friends and change my emoji into sad face. And then once done, click save. And that's it. That's how easy it is to edit a shortcut on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.